The Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks IRL is a collaboration between Nike and RTFKT, a company that specializes in creating virtual sneakers. The Cryptokicks IRL is a physical sneaker that is also tied to a digital asset, or NFT. This means that owners of the shoe can also own a digital version of the shoe that they can use in the metaverse or other virtual worlds. The Cryptokicks IRL is a limited edition sneaker that was released in December 2022. There are only 19,000 pairs of shoes available, and they come in 4 different colorways: blackout, stone, ice, and space matter. The shoes feature a number of high-tech features, including auto-lacing, haptic feedback, gesture control, walk detection, app connectivity, and AI or ML algorithms. The shoes feature an auto-lacing system that automatically tightens the laces to provide a comfortable fit. The shoes provide haptic feedback to the wearer, such as vibrations when the auto-lacing system is activated. The GAC Space Concept is a hydrogen-powered minivan concept car unveiled by GAC Group at their 2022 GAC Tech Day event. The concept car embodies the future of mobility, focusing on clean energy, spacious interiors designed for comfort and relaxation, and autonomous driving capabilities. The GAC Space Concept features a futuristic and aerodynamic design with a massive illuminated grille dominating the front fascia. The designers refer to it as an illuminated waterfall, adding a unique touch to the concept car. The GAC Space Concept is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell powertrain generating over 180 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. With a full tank of hydrogen, the concept car boasts an estimated range of 403 miles, 650 kilometers. The Citroën Autonomous Mobility Vision is a concept for a future urban transportation system developed by Citroën alongside Accor and JCDecaux. It's designed to be a shared, autonomous, and clean mobility solution for cities. The foundation of the system is the Citroën Skate. Imagine a self-driving electric vehicle platform that moves around on designated lanes within a city. This is the Skate. It houses all the necessary technology for autonomous driving, including batteries, electric motors, sensors, and more. It can travel at speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, 15.5 miles per hour in most areas, with a slower speed of 5 kilometers per hour, 3.1 miles per hour in pedestrian zones for safety reasons. The innovative part comes with the pods. These are detachable cabins that can be attached to the Skate. There are different types of pods designed to offer various experiences to passengers. This pod functions as a mobile billboard or information center, potentially offering advertising or community services. The Renault EZ-PRO is a concept for an autonomous last-mile delivery solution designed for urban environments. It tackles the growing challenge of urban deliveries and aims to improve efficiency and sustainability. This manned pod carries a human supervisor, often called a concierge, who oversees the delivery operations. The concierge can monitor deliveries, manage the fleet of following pods, and potentially interact with customers. These are the driverless pods that follow behind the leader pod in a platoon or operate independently to make deliveries. They can be customized based on the type of cargo they carry, ensuring flexibility for different delivery needs. The EZ-PRO is entirely electric, contributing to cleaner urban transportation and reduced noise pollution. The platoon formation of the pods can improve traffic flow, especially designed to integrate seamlessly with traffic light systems and urban infrastructure. The concept envisions the EZ-PRO system being used by multiple logistics companies or businesses, maximizing its utilization and cost-effectiveness. Hankook Tire is a South Korean multinational company specializing in manufacturing tires for passenger vehicles, light trucks, SUVs, racing cars, and electric vehicles. They are currently the world's 7th largest tire manufacturer. Hankook tires are known for their quality, performance, and affordability. They offer a wide range of tires to suit different driving conditions and needs, including all-season, summer, winter, high-performance, and off-road tires. Hankook tires are manufactured using high-quality materials and advanced technologies. They are designed to provide excellent durability, traction, and handling. Hankook tires offer excellent performance in all weather conditions. They are known for their good grip, handling, and braking performance. Hankook offers a wide range of tires to suit different driving conditions and needs. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a concept for a futuristic transportation system designed by Hyundai Motor Company. It's an innovative take on cargo hauling, focusing on sustainability, autonomy, and efficiency. The trailer drone is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, making it an emission-free option for cargo transportation. The trailer drone is entirely autonomous, eliminating the need for a human driver. This allows for more efficient use of time and potentially reduces accidents. The trailer drone utilizes e-bogie units, which are essentially self-contained, electric wheel assemblies. These e-bogies can be attached to a standard shipping container, transforming it into a mobile, autonomous unit. The e-bogie system offers modularity. Depending on the needs of the cargo, multiple e-bogies can be used. For example, a large trailer can have an e-bogie at each end for better maneuverability, while smaller containers might utilize a single e-bogie. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a concept design and is not yet in production. Future Concept Urban. The future of urban transportation is likely to be a complex and exciting mix of innovation, sustainability, and efficiency. Here are some key concepts that could revolutionize how we get around in cities. Cities will likely see a surge in micromobility options like e-scooters, e-bikes, and improved cycling infrastructure. These offer eco-friendly and convenient ways to navigate short distances. Imagine a network of small, autonomous pods that travel on elevated tracks or dedicated lanes. PRT systems could offer on-demand, personalized transportation within a city. Self-driving cars, taxis, and buses are a major focus, with the potential to improve safety, traffic flow, and accessibility. However, regulations and infrastructure development are still hurdles. This futuristic concept involves high-pressure tubes and magnetic levitation technology to propel capsules at ultra-fast speeds. While still under development, Hyperloop could revolutionize travel between cities. Traffic lights, roads, and parking systems will become smarter, collecting data and dynamically adjusting to optimize traffic flow and manage congestion. The Nissan Max-Out concept is a head-turning, all-electric convertible that embodies Nissan's vision for the future of electric vehicles. It's not just about sporty looks, it boasts a design focused on driver engagement, comfort, and a futuristic aesthetic. The Max-Out is powered by a zero-emission electric powertrain, showcasing Nissan's commitment to a sustainable future. Specific details about the battery or motor haven't been revealed, but it promises an exciting electric driving experience. The Max-Out boasts a low-slung, aerodynamic profile with clean lines and transforming illuminated elements. This design emphasizes a futuristic aesthetic and Nissan's Japanese futurism design approach. Lunar Glass Lunar Vehicle. Lunar glass is actually not glass as we know it on Earth. It is a natural glass that forms on the moon from the constant bombardment of micrometeoroids and meteoroids. The impacts cause the lunar soil, or regolith, to melt, and this molten material then cools and hardens into glass. Lunar glass can be found in a few different forms. These are clumps of lunar soil particles that have been welded together by the heat of micrometeoroid impacts. They can contain glass beads and sometimes even show flow features from the molten material. These are larger glass deposits that form around the rims of craters caused by larger impacts. They can be a centimeter or more in size. Studying lunar glass is important for understanding the history of the moon. The composition of the glass can tell us about the composition of the lunar surface and the materials that have impacted the moon over time. Lunar vehicles have been essential for astronauts to explore the lunar surface. The first lunar vehicle was the Lunar Roving Vehicle, LRV, used on the Apollo 15, 16, and 17 missions in 1971 and 1972. The LRV was a battery-powered, four-wheeled rover that could carry 2 astronauts and their equipment. It had a top speed of 8 miles per hour, 13 kilometers per hour, and a range of about 57 miles, 92 kilometers. Lunar rovers are essential for future exploration of the Moon.